Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're gonna make a little nativity and a big nativity. Let's get into it.
We're gonna have so much fun.
This video is sponsored by Raycon. Let me be perfectly clear, neither of these projects are my original ideas. One of them I found on Etsy, and one of them I saw in the store, and in my opinion, both of them are way overpriced. So I created some templates based on the pictures that I had so that I could recreate them for myself, and I put them on the website so you could recreate them for yourself. I put both templates together in a bundle and they are available on our website for free, so make sure to hit the link below to get your free copy after you watch the video. I'm making the first project out of some pallet wood. I started by tracing out the figures. The tracing ended up being super light, so I went back over them with a Sharpie. I cut the pieces to more manageable sizes, but before heading over to the scroll saw, I grabbed my new earbuds from Raycon. Man, what a difference from these bulky ones that I've been using. I did a lot of guesswork with this manger frame. I ended up cutting the bottom piece to be 3 inches by 20 inches. I cut the side pieces to 2 inches by 13 inches and then used 2 more pieces to figure out the angle of the roof that I liked. I think I landed on 28 degrees. It was looking a little square, so I used some small nails and a flexible ruler to trace a curve on the bottom piece and cut it out with the jigsaw. With all the pieces cut, it was time for sanding. While the sanding is getting done, let me tell you about this video's sponsor, Raycon. I'm always looking to upgrade my PPE in the shop, so when Raycon reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try their everyday earbuds, which have active noise canceling, it was an easy yes. Raycon offers a number of different earbuds, as well as headphones in open audio styles. Each set of earbuds comes with a selection of gel tips so you can fit the earbuds to your comfort. On top of active noise cancellation, these earbuds offer 32 hours of battery life. They're able to connect and switch between multiple devices, and they're water resistant. And the tap system makes these earbuds really easy to control. In addition, Raycon not only offers the earbuds in a variety of colors, but they also offer protective covers for the case that comes in a wide range of stylish designs, like this Galaxy one. Make sure to hit the link below to check out all the deals that Raycon has going on, and now back to our project. I decided to use pocket holes to attach the side and roof pieces together. This little pocket hole jig comes in really handy for projects like this. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. To keep the pieces lined up correctly, I kept one piece pressed against the wall. Not sure why I decided to attach the manger cutout before the frame assembly. Anyways. And it was at this point that I realized that I put the screws on the front rather than the back.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
After righting that wrong, I started attaching the rest of the cutouts. Before attaching Joseph, I drilled a small hole in his hand and made a shepherd's staff from an old coat hanger. To cover my mistake, I used a Forstner bit to drill out the screw holes and filled them with dowels, like it never happened.
I didn't see anything.
As an afterthought, I decided to add some little brace pieces, just to fill up that empty space on the top of the Nativity. Nativity number 2 is more of a simplistic modern style. Using the template I created, I traced the star and hay onto some 1/4 inch plywood and the rest of the pieces onto some 3/4 inch plywood. Then it was just the task of cutting everything out on the scroll saw. I decided to double up the arch piece and the little manger so they could stand up a little easier. With the pieces dry, I sanded them smooth on the bench sander. I painted the smaller pieces and used Mission Oak stain on the arch and the manger. I used some clear construction adhesive to glue everything together, but hot glue probably would have been plenty strong enough. Alright, our two nativities are done, and I gotta say, they couldn't be more opposite than each other. We have one that's super rustic, and then one that's like pretty modern and simplistic. Let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite. Which style do you prefer? I really like the versatility of this little one. You can put it just about anywhere, and it's really simplistic, but it gets the point across. As far as the big one goes, I like that it's sturdy enough to stand up so I can put it on the mantle, but it also looks good hanging on the wall. A big shout out and thank you to Raycon for sponsoring this video. If you want to see all the deals they have going on, hit the links below. And if you're the kind of person that doesn't really like sticking things in your ears, then keep in mind they do have full headphone sets as well. I hope you all enjoyed the projects today. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.